back to the channel, everyone. Today we have this gorgeous BMW M140i back in the workshop for some more upgrades. So the last time it was here was around August last year, and we fitted a set of AST 5300 coilovers. The customer absolutely loves the coilovers, loves how the car sits, but he wants some more upgrades. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing the stock brakes for a Brembo Brake Kit, specifically the GTM kit. So with this kit, he'll be having a 6-piston front caliper and a 4-piston rear caliper, and a 380mm front disc and a 345mm rear disc. So this is a massive upgrade for this car, and it'll pair really nicely with the suspension and make the car really suited for the track and just an excellent driving car all around. So let's get it into the workshop, get the OEM brake stripped, and start fitting this new Brembo Brake Kit. So this particular kit is a GTM kit, making it a perfect blend for road and track use. As you can see in here, we have 3 different boxes. We'll start with the one closest to the camera. So in this first box, you have your gorgeous 6-piston front caliper. So this is a single bit of aluminium, which actually helps with the deflection under heavy braking. So with OEM and non-monoblock calipers, you will get quite a lot of deflection under heavy braking. This means that you'll have quite bad pedal feel when you are on track or when you're pushing your car hard. These are also nice and lightweight, meaning that you're not increasing your unsprung mass unnecessarily. Now also in this box, you get the Brembo front brake pads. These are a super good option straight out of the box from Brembo. But thanks to the caliper design from Brembo, you have loads of different pad options from pure street use all the way up to full motorsport use. Now, moving on to the second box here, this is the smallest one in the main box. But in here you have your brake caliper carrier, you have the fitting kit, so you have your brake pad spring, your pins and your caliper bolts. And finally, you have your stainless steel braided brake line. Now this is a really important part because the stainless steel brake lines don't expand as much when you have high pedal effort, which means that your pedal feel is nice and consistent when you are pushing your car hard. Now the final box, as you may have guessed, contains our new brake disc. So with this kit, we have a massive 380mm 2-piece front brake disc. Now as you'll see, it is both slotted and vented to be able to get rid of all the heat that you generate under heavy driving. Okay, so the Brembo kit has been fitted to the M140i, and I think you'll agree it looks absolutely wicked under these wheels. So as I mentioned earlier, we have upgraded to a 380mm front disc with a 6-piston caliper and a 345mm rear disc with a 4-piston caliper. So these brakes are going to give you excellent pedal feel when you are pushing hard on track and help the car stop like you wouldn't believe. So if you want a kit just like this for your vehicle, be sure to hit us up at regalautosport.com and we'll be able to get you your very own kit ordered. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.